Hey everyone, my name is Ananya Gupta and I'm a chartered accountant by profession. I cleared my CISA examination 25th of July this year, and honestly it could not have been possible without Aditya's support and guidance. My experience with CISA-This-Much has been tremendous. I feel that there is a lack of clarity among candidates when they think of getting into fields like information security or getting certifications like CISA and some other certifications like this. CISA-This-Much is a comprehensively designed course which lets you focus only on the content and leave all the other worries aside. With a wide range of questions and a lot of mock tests, you get to test your knowledge in time, and apart from this, Aditya's support throughout, making all the concepts look so easy and answering to all your questions, may it be technical questions or just your anxiety calls. We solved a lot of questions, we discussed a lot of practical logics behind them, and finally it happened. I took the first step towards the long journey I wish for. Talking about the time required to clear the CISA examination, it is a very subjective question depending upon how much time you can dedicate. But still, to answer the question, I think 3-4 months would be enough to gain confidence over the subject. I mean, this includes a month of fully dedicated focus on the concepts. You need to solve Q&A a couple of times with some other mock papers as well. Conceptual clarity is a must, and mugging up should never be an option anyways. I mean, you can mug up 1,000 questions, but when you go out there in the practical world, nobody is going to give you 4 options for a problem, right? So understand every bit you can and go out there in the world and rock. Thanks a lot, Aditya. Once again, you have been great, and best of luck for all your future endeavors. Thank you.